Wagwan everybody, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. In today's video, I am going to prepare some Jamaican steamed callaloo. Now this is packed with a lot of iron and some nice flavor. So if you are interested in this video, please stick around and let's get right into it. So I have my callaloo here. I have some fresh callaloo that I wash nicely, and I strip off the outer part and cut it into some small pieces. Now I have scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, tomato, garlic, sweet pepper. I have pimento seed, I have onion and thyme. Now to a pot I'm gonna add some coconut oil. When the oil becomes heated, I'm going to add my fresh seasoning. Alright, so I'm gonna saute them for a few minutes just to bring out the flavors, and then I'm going to add my callaloo. Now I don't want my vegetables to be too crunchy because remember it's gonna steam with the callaloo. However, I want to get out that nice flavor so that the callaloo can taste good. Alright, now you can add more carrots if you like, but I didn't want to over add the carrots, so just add it to your liking. After sauteing my vegetables, I'm gonna add my carrot. Now to make a pot even more colorful and vibrant, you could add some yellow sweet peppers or some red or but for me, I don't like to add too much sweet pepper, so this amount is good enough. So I'm just gonna mix everything together, just for all the flavors to be mixed together. And you could add more tomatoes. I don't really want to add too much tomato to my recipe, guys, but you could add it based on your preference. All right, so if you see any ingredient that I am adding and you don't like that ingredient, then just leave it out. All right, the scallion, all the ingredients that I use, and the pimento seed and the thyme, everything just give the steam callaloo that nice flavor. All right, so I'm gonna flavor my callaloo now. I'm just gonna add some black pepper to it and some all-purpose seasoning. But what if you want to add some salt? Then you can go ahead and add some salt. Sometimes I prepare my steamed callaloo without any powder seasoning, but today I choose to add it, because I want to have a different taste for my callaloo. But guess what, guys? The salt alone and the black pepper make a callaloo taste good same way. Alright, so if you choose to add that, then go ahead. Alright, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of butter. Now you want to mix to allow that butter to flavor the callaloo. It's completely optional, but it do has that nice taste that I so love. So guess what, guys, I have to add some butter in my callaloo. Alright, now in Jamaica we mostly have our callaloo with some fried dumpling or some boiled food, but today I'm gonna have mine with some bami. So I'm gonna share that recipe link in the description box where you can check it out. Alright, so let's cover the pot, let it steam for maybe about 3 more minutes, and then it's all done. Now at this point, my steamed callaloo is finished. So I'm gonna give it a nice toast, and then I'm going to put out the flame. Now bear in mind that you want to ensure that your callaloo has enough flavor, because you have some people they love it on the saltier side, but for me, just a little flavor from salt flavor, and I'm good with that. Alright, so don't forget to like this video before you leave and share with others. Tell them about Tamara Recipes. Stay blessed, guys, and if you try the recipe, don't forget to comment down below and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and go and big up on yourself straight.